Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to swap Luna Classic to UST on Terra Station. Now, first of all, as you can see, we don't have any Luna C or UST C tokens. Now, you will need Luna C tokens for this transaction. What you will have to do is go to your Terra Station here, go to your settings, make sure you're on Classic right here, refresh the page, and make sure that you put some money on this deposit right here, so you can deposit Luna Classic to this address. Once you have some Luna right here, what you will have to do is and you can deposit Luna Classic from any exchange or your MetaMask, whatever you have, right? And once you have some Luna Classic, go to swap right here, and then from here you will be able to swap just by doing a really simple swap. So click on USDC, click show all, go to Luna C here, type in how much you want to exchange, and then select a coin right here, and you will be able to select USDC, or you can also select some other coins from this list, as you can see. But for us, it's going to be USDC here, and then you can basically exchange this. And yeah, as you can see, slippage is 1%, and then you just click submit, and you will be able to swap Luna Classic to USDC on Terra Station, which is pretty self-explanatory. So if you have any other questions around this process, then definitely visit our channel, and we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.